Hi, let me show you how to install Duckly or IntelliJ or any other JetBrains IDE. And the good thing about Duckly is that you can do pair programming with people using a different IDE, like Visual Studio Code. Okay, so first go to Preference and Plugin, so we can search for Duckly there. Let's go to the Marketplace and search here for Duckly. Let's install it. And it's going to ask for restarting the IDE. Okay, so here on the right side, I can see the Duckly panel, and I'm going to click on Login on Duckly. And this is going to open URL so it can link my Duckly account to my IDE. Okay, so now it's connected. And on the bottom of the my IntelliJ, I can see the option join a video call on Duckly. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to join this room. And if I go back to IntelliJ, I can see the option start sharing your code on debugging. So I'm going to do that. Let's share my code. And let's open a file because actually I don't have anything open here. Let's open just this file. Okay, so I'm sharing this file now. If I go back to the call, I can see here that this file being shared in real time. And if any other person joins with the Duckly extension install, they're going to be able to pair program with me. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.